Guys, first stop natin dito. Ito, meron tayo nakakitang bike dito na yan Phoenix Intense Alloy folding bike. Yan, napo-fold to guys. So, kaya nga tinawag na folding bike. So, ayan, folding bike, disc brake. Shimano parts. Grabe naman yan, Shimano parts. Ang lupit. Talagang 6.5, naka-Shimano ka na. So, basta tingnan natin. Phoenix Intense folding bike. The most affordable quality alloy folding bike in the market today. Shimano gears. Ayan o. 6,500 meron ka ng Shimano bike na naka super safe. So check natin yung kanyang specs guys. Alloy frame. Naka 7 speed na to. Shimano TX30. Ang kanyang shifter Shimano din. Tornin TY21B RD. Yan, mechanical disc brake. Ang kanyang tires, yung